Welcome back, future doctors, to another wonderful session of Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and I am Dr. Radha Subramaniam. Today we are going to learn the packing efficiency for BCC. Okay, so what is packing efficiency? There is a simple formula for that. That is, it is Z into volume of atom divided by 1 volume of unit cell into 100. Just memorize this for your easy reference, or you can even take a screenshot of this. Now, for BCC, that is for, we are going to find out the packing efficiency. 8 atoms are present in the corners. So, each corner atom's contribution, we have learned about this already. Those who haven't watched can go back to the previous videos and watch this. So, each corner atom's contribution is 1 by 8. Okay. Now, one atom is present in the center which is not shared. Okay, so then how will we take it? 8 into 1 by 8, 1/8 of this plus 1, that is which is present in the center. So that is 8 into 1 by 8 is 1, 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. So total number of atoms in this lattice is 2. Okay, so we already learned how to find out the radius of BCC. You can also go back to the previous video, and I have taught you in detail how to find the radius, that you can learn it from there. Then 4r square is 2a square plus a square, that is 16r square is 3a square, r is equal to root 3 by 4a. So since we know the radius, there is nothing for us to do, just do the substitution for packing efficiency in this formula. So what is that total number of atoms? That is 2. Then we have got the radius also, that is root 3 by 4a. Now we will substitute here Z into, see this is in the form of a sphere. So what is the volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 into 4 by 3 pi, r is root 3 by 4a, 4 root 3 by 4a, the whole cube, divided by volume of one cell, that is for cube it is a cube, that into 100. So here already 1 a cube and this a cube you can cancel it out. So what is left? 2 into 4 by 3 pi into root 3 by 4, 3 times, that is root 3 by 4 cube into root 3 by 4 into root 3 by 4, that into 100. Okay, then now you can do the calculations for this. As you know, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, 3 root 3, 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So when you do the calculation, you get 68%. Okay, so the volume occupied by the sphere is 68%. Sometimes they can also ask you the empty space. So if 68% of the volume is occupied, what is the empty space here? It is just 32%, because 100 minus 68 will give you 32%. So it is very easy to find out the packing efficiency. Just you want to know two things. One is Z and the second one is radius. Okay, so once we finish this, we have got to learn about FCC also. But if I teach you everything on the same day, then you will find it difficult to remember. Okay, so now the NEET exams are coming closer, and many children are getting demotivated and they are getting afraid. But all of you should remember one thing: just trust yourself, and there is no bigger motivation than self-inspiration. Okay, so there is no need to get demotivated at all. You still have some time for your NEET. Rather than thinking of all the time how big you will fail, just focus on your studies, make a timetable, you start working hard. With hard work, the fear will gradually vanish. Okay, and always you have to just make a good timetable. See, if you have a good timetable, then you can just follow it, overcome all your fears, and you just keep yourself motivated. Ask yourself why you are in this world, why you want to give NEET. In present time, a doctor is the one who deserves the place of God, and you should be proud on yourself that you have decided to be a doctor. There is no need to be tensed. The need is to be self-confident. Make a study schedule and follow it carefully. Make sure a study of 9 to 10 hours you do with breaks. Okay, and take proper preparation strategies, and and you have got many channels like ours just to help you with getting this NEET, cracking this NEET with very good marks. And also if you need motivation, you have to push yourself. That is the best method, and everything has a reason. You decided for NEET, so that also has a reason, but you have to learn how to crack it. And as I said, self motivation is very important. You have to realize the value of what you are doing. You must remember that the competition is not with other aspirants. You have to surpass your own performance. It is tough to stay motivated when you are preparing for competitive exams, but remember, only you can motivate yourself. Don't get distracted or demotivated by others. Have a belief that no matter what I will do, no matter, I will do it. And also just watch motivational videos including what we are uploading, and in the long run that can refresh your mind. Okay, and you have to target like 580 or some marks to get if those are opting for government seats and all that. And there are some few tips to deal with situations regarding how to prepare for NEET. You have to, first one is study your favorite subject chapter. So for some people it will be biology, for some it would be chemistry. So whenever you feel bored, especially some people get bored studying physics or inorganic chemistry or organic chemistry, then what you have to do is start solving some questions or read theory from a book, and then that can help you to regain your lost momentum. Then just write what you read. Just sometimes you feel that you studied nothing, and you feel very guilty of wasting days studying nothing. Then what you can do is just pick up your biology NCERT textbook, start writing a chapter or writing few important points, or you can do some other tricks like do some calculations for physics, sums alone, just calculation part alone for chemistry or physics. And also you try to solve maximum number of MCQs. Okay, and when you are feeling just like the pressure building up in your mind, just pick up randomly a question paper, can solve biology or inorganic chemistry MCQs. That way you can keep yourself very fresh in your brain and be motivated. And not much days are left for the exams now, so keep yourself fresh and motivated, and prepare well for the exam. And always, as I say, do like, share and subscribe to our channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and I will be soon uploading some other useful and important sessions for you. Thanks for watching.